Sabi pala ni Bishop Abante o ni Pastor Abante, ang namo ay hindi mura. Namo. Diba? Hoy, bawal yan. Magandang araw mga Abian, Luzon, good morning, Visayas, good morning, at Mindanao, good morning, at sa ating mga OFW dyan. Magandang araw po sa inyo, magandang umaga, magandang gabi, at magandang tanghali dyan sa ibang bansa. Okay. Panoorin nyo ito kung paano nagiging back to zero ang impeachment complaint kay Sara ng mga Congress at bakit magiging back to zero pagdating sa June. Panoorin nyo ito.
Ang grupo ninyo, kayo po personally as well regarding this move to impeach Sara Duterte?
Well, Christian, if you remember, we filed a petition in the Supreme Court questioning the confidential funds of VP Sara. Because we wrote a letter to VP Sara, please explain to us how you spent the 125 million confidential funds. Under the Constitution, you must tell us how you spent. Ang sagot niya, I cannot disclose to you because under the EO of my father, former President Duterte, there is a right to information on all matters of public concern except confidential funds. So we went to the Supreme Court. Sabi namin, the Constitution says the people have a right to information on matters of public concern, especially, of course, public concern, expenditure of public funds. Napaka number one public concern yan. The Constitution says that's the rule. People have a right to information on matters of public concern. Exception, if there is a law providing for reasonable limitations. Walang batas. Yung EO na ginawa ni President Duterte, hindi batas yun eh. So useless yun, void yun. So yun ang position namin sa Supreme Court. Hindi pa na-decide yun. So we were one of the first to question the constitutionality of the confidential funds. Ngayon, lumabas na sa Quadcom na yung pera na 125 million, winidraw pala sa Land Bank.
Sa ano po? Committee on Good Government?
Yeah, sa Committee on Good Government, winidraw pala sa Land Bank at saka eventually it ended up in the possession of the two military aides of Sara. But hindi na nila tinanong yung military aides. Anong ginawa ninyo sa 125 million cash na binigay sa inyo? Binigay ba ninyo kay Sara or kay Piatos at sa mga katulad kay Piatos, mga non-existent people, o it's still in your possession? Tatlo lang yung posible. Hindi tinanong. The most important question in that inquiry by the committee was not asked. Ang ginawa nila, tinapon nila yung issue sa DND. Let DND, Department of National Defense, investigate.
And find out.
Kaya ang aming, what we are asking now, demanding from DND, to release to the public the result of your investigation. Kasi the moment the results are out, pag sinabi nila binigay namin kay Sara, we can now bring the case against Sara.
For what?
For plunder. Kasi 125 billion eh.
What if sabihin niya, dinistribute din naman namin after?
Yeah, hindi niya binigay. Puro Piatos mga fake yun eh.
Okay.
So, what we're saying is complete the investigation kasi bitin. Pag sinabi ng dalawang military aid, binigay namin sa kay Piatos at saka mga tao katulad kay Piatos, silang kawawa. Fake yun eh. Ano mo bibigay sa non-existing person?
Pag ganun po ba, hindi mananagot si VP bilang head of agency?
Mananagot rin. Pero mananagot rin yung military aid.
Whereas kung din sinabi niya binigay na
Wala sila, out sila. Third, baka nasa possession pa nila, mananagot rin sila. We need that vital information. Yun yung missing link eh. The most important question yun eh. Yun yung the final nail in the coffin. You did not hit the nail that you need to close it. So, sabi namin, premature yung ipa-file mo ngayon. Kasi first of all, sabi nga ng SecGen ng House, wala nang time. Kasi from the SecGen has to submit the endorsed complaint pag may isang endorsement ng congressman within 10 session days from receipt.
the speaker.
Ngayon siguro mga 9 or 10 days na. And then from there, the plenary will have to decide to refer it to the Justice Committee in 3 session days. But the effect there, the moment it's referred to the Committee on Justice, the 1-year period starts.
Doon magsisimula?
Oo, doon magsimula. Na you cannot file another impeachment complaint for 1 year. But pag dumating na yan sa Committee on Justice, hindi pa umabot sa Senate. Para umabot yan sa Senate, it has to be signed by 1/3. Pero let's say 1/3 will sign, umabot sa Senate, wala nang time ang Senate kasi mag-election na, campaign period will start February 11. Wala na silang time. Babalik sila June. Pero sa June, konti lang. I think they have just 2 weeks to have 14, 15 session days. At saka, walang, they will not be interested. Hindi matapos. Kasi you have to give Sara 10 days to answer the complaint. Maubos yun eh. Yung 15 days yun, baliwala yun eh. Because you have to give Sara time to file his comment.
Anong position ng
Ang position namin, don't file it now because you cannot act within, kasi mag-expire yung Senate eh. So there will be a new Senate. So you have to refile it.
Start from zero?
Oo, magsa-start yung zero. Sabihin ni Sara, expired na yung Senate. So they have to start all over again.
Yun po, wrong moves na naman to sila sa sobrang ilang pagmamadali. Lalo na pahamak yung mga kongresista na nasa mga probinsya na pumirma. Diba? At kita nyo naman yung mga nangyayari, yung mga tapuli nila na nakalagay sa mga kalsada, pinagpupunit ng mga taong bayan. Mga sa probinsya, may umamin pa na isang kongresista na pumirma na kaya pumirma sila gawa ng merong pangako na fee letter, okay, ayuda sa mga galing kay Martin Romualdez, diba? Ang ayuda milyon o iba 25, 100 million ay napilitan sila, pero sana pinanindigan nila na hindi dapat, diba? Paano ngayon hindi natapos ang hearing, back to zero? Wala, tagilid na ang inyong mga kalagayan pagdating sa politika, diba? Ikakaya pa kayo ng inyong mga pamilya. Wrong moves kayo. Sa Senado naman, malabo din kasi magpapalit na rin. Expired na rin yung Senate. May expired na rin ang Congress after election kasi magpapalit na. O panibago na naman. Kaya si Franz Castro, iyak. Yung mga makabayan black dyan, yung mga rebelde dyan, rig-tagging, totoo naman talaga ng mga MP kayo, mga yupa kayo talaga. Sabi nga ni, hindi pala mura yung namo. Oh, di ba? Sabi ni Abante, si Abante yan, ha? Oh, di ba? Ano yan? Pastor yan. Oh, namo. Di ba? Hoy, bawal yan.
Bangag. Utang ina ninyo.